Now students of class 6, we are continuing with exercise 35. This is sum number 24. The question is, from which least number, least means lowest, from which least number 35 must be subtracted to make it divisible by 32, 40, 48, 56 and 64. So the question is, you have to find the lowest number from where 35 if you deduct or subtract, the number that you get will be divisible by all this set of numbers. That means the number is divisible by 32, 40, 48, 56 and 64. So that number which is divisible by all of them, we have to get. And how we have to get? We have to get it from that number from where if I deduct 35, the number is going to be divisible by all these. So how will we begin our answer? Now first step, any number which is divisible by all the set of numbers is its LCM. That means the lowest common multiple is the number which is divisible by all these numbers. So what we will write? LCM is the number which is divisible by all the given numbers, that is 32, 40, 48, 56 and 64. So if I find the LCM, we know that the LCM can be divisible by all these numbers individually. So first we will find out the LCM in order to know what will be the number that is divisible by all these set of numbers individually. So all of you know how to find out LCM. You will begin with 2. See, 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12, 2 20s are 40, 24s are 48, 28s are 56, 32. Again with 2, 2 8s are 16, 10s are 20, 12s are 24, 14s are 28, 16s are 32. Again with 2, so like this we have to continue till we get 1 in the end. Now with 2 we cannot divide, so we start with 3, then 5, then ultimately 7. When we divide, we get all 1 in the end. Now what will be the LCM? LCM you will get if you multiply this side. So LCM value will be equal to 2 into 2 4, 4 into 2 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32, 32 2s are 64. So I have multiplied all the 2 into 3 5s are 15. So how much I can do it verbally? I am doing the multiplication into 7. So I am breaking the multiplication. I have multiplied all the 2's together, then 3 into 5 15, then into 7. So now step by step, if you multiply, you will get the LCM. So 15 into 7, 105 into 64. So if you multiply this, you will get the LCM value. So the ultimate value is 6720. This is the LCM, or the number which is divisible by all these numbers. Now the question is, so this is the number which is divisible by all the numbers, that is its LCM. Now the question is, from which number should we subtract 35 to make it divisible by all these numbers? So in order to derive this number is divisible by all the number sets, all the numbers which are present, this number is divisible. So from which number I should subtract 35 to get this value? That means with this number, if I add 35, I will get my answer. Now I am giving you one more example. Suppose from which number, if I subtract 3, I am going to get 2. So how will you find out? 2 plus 3 you have to do in order to get the number. From which number, if I subtract 3, I will get 2 as the result. From 5, if I subtract 3, I will get 2 as the result. But this you can tell verbally. But if you cannot tell, what you will do? With the result, you will add 3 in order to find the number. Similarly, we are doing it over here. From which number 35 has to be subtracted, so the number is divisible by all these numbers. Now we know the number which is divisible by all these numbers, that is its LCM, 6720. So with 6720, if we add 35, we will get that particular number, from where if we subtract 35, we get this number. So we have to do what? We have to, with the result 6720, if I add 35, that means 6755. So this is the number, or this is the required number, from where if I subtract 35, I am getting the number which is divisible by all these numbers. So the answer is 6755 is the number from which 35 is subtracted to get the number divisible by 32, 40, 48, 56 and 64. So that is the answer.